Alright everybody, Adam Patterson out here today for Greek Physiques Fitness. And I am making my secret muscle building protein smoothie, guys. So I'm getting all the ingredients ready and then I'm going to show you what we're going to have, alright? I may have showed this once before, but I got to show it again. You can have this any time of the year, guys. Of course, when you're cutting, you may want to cut back a little bit on the protein usage, but not the protein usage. I'll show you right here. So we've got all the ingredients out, guys. So I switched to 1% milk, as you would have seen in the groceries for gains. These are some frozen bananas, peanut butter, steel cut oats, and then of course our protein powder, guys. So what we're gonna do, I have to unscrew this top right here. What we're gonna do, let's just turn this, see if you can see these numbers. Focus, focus. There you guys are. So there's ice in there. We're putting in 2 cups of milk. We're gonna put our milk back in the fridge. I'm gonna set this over here. Hopefully it stays. It's not gonna stay. Hopefully it stays. It stayed. Look at that. Would you look at that? So I'll just talk to you guys from across the room. What I'm gonna do, because I'm getting low on chocolate protein, is I'm gonna take a scoop of vanilla protein. And I'll toss it in there. Boom. And then I'm going to take a scoop of chocolate. This is chocolate. And I'm going to toss that in there. And then this is just what I like to do. I like to put it in a specific order. I go with my peanut butter. And I am not measuring this, guys. I'm just taking shitloads. Drop in there. Do a little bit more. If I had to guess, I would say I do probably about 3 tablespoons, which is like a serving and a half. What I said was, I probably do about 3 tablespoons, which is a serving and a half. Just from earlier times of measuring this out like in high school, I just know what a serving size looks like. Quarter cup steel cut oats. It's not good. Frozen banana. This is gonna give it that nice creamy texture, guys. Texture, flavor, whatever you want to call it. Take one of those. And I'll take another half. Bang. Now I gotta wash my hands in. So now we're gonna show you the beforehand. You see it all in there, guys? Banana, oats, milk, peanut butter, protein powder, and it is going to combine to be tasty goodness. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put away all of this, because these have to remain frozen. Alright guys, so now we're going to take this and we're just going to blend it. And bam, the finished product. Let's give it a taste. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. That's good stuff. So guys, that is the secret muscle building protein smoothie. Chocolate, peanut butter, banana, a little bit of oatmeal, a little bit of ice, a little bit of milk. That's the secret, guys. I encourage you to try that. It tastes delicious. Gets you those gains that you've been looking for. High in protein, pretty high in fat, the way I make it at least. You don't have to use as much peanut butter if you don't want to. High in carbs because of the oats, because of the banana. Good for potassium, very low in sodium, which is great because you get your sodium through other channels throughout the day. So I encourage you to give it a try, guys. As you can see, it looks delicious. It is delicious. Have a good one, guys. Just give me a like. Just give me one. Like it. And subscribe.